All right, so clearance 107, brand new earlier, $19 down from 54. Welcome back to another video. We got top clearance and we got some special deals only at the Lowe's. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing. Starting with this, guys, it's like a little bar for your backyard. You can put some coolers, everything, a barbecue, whatever. Serve some food. They still got some of the Father's Day sale, buy one get one free, including that ladder. And check this out, guys. I've never seen these before. These are the new Axis 750 dual overhead cam. It is this new model. Yeah, it is the XS 750. Does come with front and rear locking differentials, 4-stroke cylinder, dock, single cylinder engine. Displacement 735cc, electric fuel injection. So there's a lot of features on this, including beefed up suspension and beefed up tires. These are really, really nice. These are like an upgrade from last year. They're wider, they're bigger. And check out the doors. I really love the doors. It's like a car basically. And then a lot of room on the bottom, so you can put a nice ice chest, and it does seat 3. So lots of room, and then you get a touch screen there, and then you got the controls there at the bottom. 12-volt cigarette lighter, adapter, or power outlet. Yeah, pretty nice door, and then you got the steering wheel and a bench seat basically for 3 people with safety belts. And then the back, yes, of course, it's gonna you are able to tilt it for a quick dump. There are $11,999. All right, so on to the tools. You got $149 down from $179, and then with the purchase of $500, you save $200. With the purchase of $300, you save $100. So not too bad. I would definitely shoot for that $200. And within the $500 savings, that's going to get you the most for your bang for your buck. All right, this one's on clearance, $129 or $126 down from $169 is an attachment for the Eagle. You got a 40-volt 14-inch guide bar for $22 down from $29. You got a chainsaw chain. This is $17. Now you got this one on. This is a weather station, a speed weather station and wind. 76. You got $14.99 for this hammer. Was $29.90, so about 50% off. This is a really nice hammer, really premium. And then you got a tough build here, utility knife, $14. A self-leveling laser, $427 down from $55, which is a pretty good deal. And then you got this belt, electrician's pouch, $17 down from $34. Now this is a killer deal for these guys. There's actually some on the miter saw. We'll look at them right now, but yeah, pretty good deal on those. You got $90 down from $129 for the 15-amp chainsaw. Check out this fridge, guys. This one's down to $19.49. This one's a newer style fridge that you can change the colors on the top, and then you do get an extra set of panels there, 20% off. It expires 6/30. All right, so clearance 107 down from 119. Expect lower prices on these. Even at your stores, expect lower prices. Sometimes they vary. $7.98 for the power bank flashlights and $3.98 for this little one, which I would definitely go for the power bank. Pretty much a little bit more powerful, and plus you do have that USB Type-C and USBs. All right, so talking about toolboxes, you guys know that I can't say the other word because YouTube will take my video down. But yeah, I got toolboxes here. $6.98 for the 24 tool, or $6.99. You got $8.49, which is, I think this was the better deal because it is bigger. It is 24 tool again, and then you got the huge one. This is the massive one. If you got the space, this is the 48 tool. It is from Canon. So you got holds 54 tools according to what it says there. Fire retardant, so fire rated. Got 25-piece impact bit set. Pretty nice. These are one of the better ones that they make for the Mach Blue. So definitely check these out. Now, personally, I still need to use some of these. I haven't used them before. And they still got these on clearance, guys. If you guys got an EV, know anybody that has an EV, make sure they check out the Lowe's because it's a really, really good discount on. Even for the Teslas, they do have the Tesla adapter in case somebody has a multiple vehicles that are electric. All right, this one's pretty good deal as well. I love the Bosch bits. Got buy one get one free. Still pretty solid deals. Pretty solid deals. You spend the 149 or get the drill impact driver kit or the 2 batteries. So pretty good deals on these up to until the 721. And then Metabo does have some clearance, so this is $69. And then you got Select Metabo 18-volt tool, get a 2 amp hour battery and charger. So pretty good deals on those. Buy one get one free basically. 125 down from 179 for the drill driver and impact driver. These are the entry level kits, by the way. $90 down from 129 and 97 down from 129. So those are pretty good deals on those. They're solid brand. 24 volt I believe it's a 4-port charger for $79. We got the 2-pack of 4 amp hour batteries. You get a free tool with this one. We'll look at it in a second, but it is 272424. This is what it looks like. These are all the tools that are available. You spend the $199, get a free tool. Spend the $299, get 2 free tools. So definitely worth it, guys. I heard somebody getting power stack batteries with this deal. So let us know that in the comment section if you guys got those power stack batteries. All right, same thing with the Flex. You buy that $199 starter kit, get a free tool. These are great tools, guys. I do have some of these, and they are solid. All right, same thing with this. This is the Craftsman Days. Got $149 and get a free tool. So that is a starter kit, including that belt sander. That's a really nice belt sander from the oscillating tool. All those are nice. And then this one's on clearance for $134. There's 277 piece. Down from 179. Solid deal. Definitely check that one out. 35 down from 39. This is a Earwing clamp. 36 inch. Not bad. And you got the Delta 8 inch. 170 down from 189. Pretty nice deal. And then you got this is 194 down from 299 for the bench joiner. You got the saw blades that I was telling you guys earlier, $19 down from 54. This is a killer deal, guys. Smoking deal on these, including that 10 inch and 12 inch, the combo blades for those miter saws. You got 4-in-1 worktop sawhorse, $19 down from 49, and then 99 down from 139 for the Pony 2-pack sawhorse. These are really nice. They do come with clamps. Pretty solid deal on these. And then 2 are in a package. Count of 2. So $637 down from $798 for the slip joint pliers. You got some line spans for $1197 down from $1998. Got some near ones here, $1227 down from $1898. 10 inch, and then you got smaller sizes, 8 inch and 6, so forth. And then you got some really nice toolboxes with the solid wood top. This is the Craftsman V series. This is the top of the line. Really love the colors on these. 3,000 pound capacity, 24. And then you got the full width drawers, bench top, block top, self closing, of course. These are a little bit heavier, a little bit more premium, thicker steel. These are definitely nice. Got some deep drawers there at the bottom. A little harder to pull. That means and then you do have to slam them a little bit to get them closed. You got $14.99 down from $17.99. You got the Craftsman power scrubber. Get some free scrubbers or free accessories. When you buy that, that is what you're going to get for free. So pretty solid deal on these, and then these are $149. Not too bad. And then you got the nailer there. This is 18 gauge brand nailer for $99, which is a pretty good deal. You got the vacuum for $54.98. It's a 5-gallon. And then you got the buy one get one free. You buy any of these for $99 and get a free tool. These are solid deals, of course. These are a little bit better than Joby days, so definitely check out the Craftsman's. A little bit more variety. So now this vacuum seems to be pretty decent, pretty good power for what it's worth. Guys, that's it. Just a short video. It's just most of the stuff it's clearance, so check it out. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell, and we'll see you guys in the next one.